Hey guys, what's going on? PokeNick here, and today we're going to be opening up a full case of the new Paldean Fates tins that released a week ago. I haven't got a chance to open them, so we're going to be opening them up today. Let's get started. So here are the tins. There are 5 separate artworks for each tin. You got Shiny Flamingo, Smoliv, Palafin or Finizen, I think Palafin, Tinka Tink, and Mousehold, and Tandem Mouse. So each one comes with this little card that you can use to combine and make it look like one picture. Here is the picture all combined with all 5 cards. Yeah, and you also get sticker sheets of the same thing, pretty much. You can stick it on your laptop or something. Okay, let's get started with the first 10 packs. Let's see what we can get. Goes 2 from the back, 3 from the back. Shiny Cleffa is the first hit. Nice. Reverse Curlier, and Hollow Mimikyu. Code card. Water Energy. 3 from the back. We got Reverse Chinchou, Magmor, and Professor's Research. Reverse Charmander, Reverse Ghastly, and Noivern EX. Reverse Maractus, Reverse Frigibrax, and Hollow River. Reverse Swoobat, Reverse Tandemaus, and Espathra EX. Three from the back. Shiny Toxtricity. That's a nice shiny. Beautiful looking shiny card right there. It'll focus. And we got Palmy Illustration Rare and Hollow and Island. So far not bad. We got 2 hits. We got 5 hits. Code card. I have been liking this set a lot. It's such a good set. Shiny Abomasnow, Reverse Swoobat, and Professor's Research. It's a good looking shiny card. Three from the back. Curlia. Did I screw something up? I think I did. Reverse Tandemaus and Hollow Rotom. Last 2. Pikachu, Reverse Gravelock, and another Noivern EX. And last one. Reverse Mimikyu, Reverse Oikalone, and Hollow Arborage. Alright, let's move on to the next 10. So with each case, you do get 2 sets of each tin. So you do get 2 sets of all these cards. Okay, let's crack into these packs. Shiny Wattrel, Reverse Gimmighoul, and Ceruledge. Edge. Not a bad looking shiny, honestly. It's not one of my favorite regional birds. I like the other ones better, honestly. Two from the back. Reverse Noivern, Reverse Dedenne, and Arborage. Shiny Wigglytuff EX. It's a good one. Charmander and Arborage. Code card. 3 from the back. Shiny Sharkhead. That's honestly not one of the best shinies, but it's still a good looking card. Reverse Barboach and Houndstone. Springmore, Raichu, and Executor. Shiny Weavile. That's a good looking shiny card. Pink and yellow. Oh, one of the better shinies in the set. Lapras and Raichu. From the back. Toadscruel, Rare Candy, and Professor's Research. Gimmighoul, Fanfu, and Polar Cly. This one's another hit I've been pulling a lot. I've pulled like maybe I think 3 of those cards out of this set. It's one of those ones that's like really common. Reverse Chalk, Wug Trio, and Zafu. Alright, last one. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic. Come on. Here's the code card. 3. Actually, we're just gonna go fully. Chalk, Execute, Ghastly, Rolf, Camera, Scrafty, Swoobat, Shiny Kilowattrel, Reverse Ralts, and Heat Rotom. Overall, not a bad case. We got some pretty good hits, some duplicates, but A lot of baby shinies that I don't have, which is good. Here's a quick recap of what we got. We got a Spathra EX, Noivern EX, another Noivern EX, Wugtrio, Palmy, Full Art Clive, Full Art Shiny Wigglytuff, Kilowattrel, Shiny Sharkadet, Shiny Weavile, Shiny Wattrel, Shiny Abomasnow, Shiny Toxtricity, and Shiny Cleffa. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.